Happy birthday, Angel. May God bless you. Stay happy and be yourself. And don't expect a lot from me, like telling all these things, because I don't do it. So, and me, mom, and dad are trying to make your quarantine birthday the memorable one. So, you understood why am I doing this video. So, let's start.
Happy birthday to you, Niharika.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే నిహారిక గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ
చెప్పు హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే పిన్ని.
Happy birthday, Penny.
Niharika, many happy returns of the day.
Hi Niharika, many more happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful time.
Hi Niharika, many more happy returns of the day.
Hi Niharika, happy birthday. God bless you, my dear. Stay safe, be happy.
Hi Niharika, happy birthday. Enjoy your 10th birthday.
ఇంకోసారి చెప్పు. విష్ యూ
Here,
మెనీ
many
హ్యాపీ
happy
రిటర్న్స్
returns
ఆఫ్ ద డే.
of the day.
నిహారిక.
Niharika, no, daddy, Penny.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే నిహారిక.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే నిహారిక.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే నిహా పాప. చెప్పు హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే
Papa,
నిహారిక.
Niharika,
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే అక్క.
happy birthday, Akka.
చెప్పండి అందరూ ఒకసారి.
విష్ యూ
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే నిహారిక.
Akka.
Hey Demo, happy birthday to my sweetest girl in my world. Love you and miss you.
Many more happy returns of the day, Niharika.
విషింగ్ యూ మెనీ మోర్ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే నిహారిక.
Hi Neha, happy birthday. Wish you many happy returns of this day and stay happy, be happy, keep smiling.
I was thinking while making this video is incomplete without your friends. So, let's get them.
Hi Niharika, happy birthday. Always keep smiling.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే నిహారిక.
Happy birthday to my best friend, whom I can even call my soul. You know that you mean the world to me, and I don't need to express anything. It's just that I want to make you feel special, not just today but then rest of your life. So I just like to remind you of few memories we have had in our past. From 7th class was somewhere we were not that close. Coming to 8th class, we became really more and more close and everything. So I really cherish all the moments we have had. Remember the annual day ka fun, hitting you, me and Tanisha making fun of you, mocking you all around, front of teachers, insulting you and everything. It was so much of fun. The way when I was the leader, when I used to write your names and everything, school days are something which I can never forget, because the best part is with you only. You know everything, okay, like literally you know everything, like whatever, you know everything about me. You know what I like, what I don't like, and it's just that all my personal things, you know everything, because I can't digest, okay. Still I don't tell you the whole thing, I can't digest, so I've told you everything about my life. There's nothing hidden, okay. It's just that I want, just like you are with me now, I want you for the rest of my life as well, and I'm sure that you'll be with me forever. Still I don't leave you, and even if I leave you also, you will be with me, I know that, and don't worry, I'll never leave you. You know all the school days ka memories, the annual day, sports day, everything, mocking teachers, back bitching about them, having fun in the last bench, enjoying with Nandan and everyone. It was so amazing. Just love them like anything. Cherish all the moments with you. And what else? There's so many things to talk about you, okay. Like there are so many things. Coming to your home and coming to your home, enjoying so much, eating snacks, jumping on the bed, calling Meghna to your home. It was all fun, okay. Memories with you are something which I can't forget. The connection I have with you, it's like forever, okay. Still I'm alive, I'm always there for you. No matter whenever you need my help, just call me and just let me know what, because you are always there whenever I am in any problem. You understand it, like I don't even need to show you, you understand it by your own. If I'm angry also, you understand. By seeing my face, you understand that what I'm going through or what is here going on in my head, and that is something which my best friends know, and you're one of them. Okay, you're someone I don't want to lose, and I'm sure I won't lose. It's just that I don't want you to make you feel special just on your birthday. I want you to make you feel special for rest of your life. Every day you have to feel special because you're someone who are hard to find. Okay, I find myself too lucky to. Okay, so I guess I'm boring you too much. You know everything about me, bro. I just don't need to make a separate video and tell you, because every day we talk also. You know everything about me. I don't find anything different I have to tell you. I know everything about you. You know about everything about me. It's just that it's your birthday and just enjoy it to the fullest. Maybe not this year, but then after lockdown, just see what all surprises I'm gonna give you. Okay, and I'm sure you're gonna love them like anything. And make sure you love them. And last but not the least, that IEs loves you so much, and I'm your best friend. You know that's such an entertaining best friend you have got. Okay, you should be lucky, and I'm more and more lucky to have you. Trust me, I pray to God never to lose you, and I find myself really lucky to have you. Love you to an extent. Enjoy your day and have fun. We love you, and we are always with you. Happy birthday once again.
Hey Niharika, happy birthday. So, there is a lot to tell about you, which this video might not be able to cover, but I'll try to cover as much as possible. So, the day that we met, it was in 8th starting, when we all had come for our first day of 8th, and I guess that's when we actually met first. And from then we grew closer and closer, sometimes fighting among ourselves, or sometimes standing together and fighting against someone, sometimes teasing and taunting each other to someone, to being together and taunting someone else or bitching about someone else. Things have been so memorable. You remember, in lunch breaks, I used to love your mom ka that dosa whose name I don't even know after 5 years, and you used to love my mom ka that bread omelette or that bread upma. And then each moment has been a special memory for us, let it be the children's day or the annual day or the boring sports day or the interesting ethnic days, or and this every year youth parliament. Everything, they have been really memorable, each and every moment actually. And even if I got a chance, I wouldn't change a thing that happened in the past. I don't regret anything. In fact, I would love to relive it again. But now that a friendship has been like till for 5 years, and I really expect it to grow more and more by time. Though I know I'm in Whitefield now and you're in Palantur, I really can't help the distance that we have. But the only thing I can wish is the distance between us doesn't actually create a barrier between our friendship or our feelings for each other. So I would just think that we, that thing, far from distance but not by heart, that one. And trust me, your brother also put a lot of effort for making your birthday special. Do thank him, at least tell him bro now at least. And I'm sure you'll have a lot more work on your birthday rather than seeing this video. So I just end it here and say happy birthday, and then just enjoy your day. I'll call you at the end of the day, okay? Bye. Stay happy, stay blessed, okay? Bye.
Hey Neha, happiest birthday. Stay blessed. Have an amazing year ahead. So yeah, you were the first friend in the college. I still remember our first day. We both were silent for the whole day. At that point of time, I never thought that we'd be so close. Today it's like we won't even sleep without talking to each other. We won't end our day without texting. Me, you, and Simi have lots and lots of memories together. Thank you so much for everything. I just miss you. Meet up soon. And yeah, thank you so much for hearing all my nonsense stories. Thank you so much for bearing me and my turbulentness. So yeah, I love you. Bye.
Wishing you a many more happy returns of the day, Niharika. I hope you stay happy always and that smile on your face never fades away. And I also wish that you achieve whatever you want in your life and always stay happy. You were one of the nicest and sweetest person I have met ever in my life. And our friendship started off with 8th. It's like actually you and me were there from 6th. But you though don't ask. It's like so quiet kiddo of the class and doesn't talk to new people. And I had Anusha that time. It's like we both were friends and you were behind so-called Tara. And so after that, then in eighth it started off with our friendship, and you, me, Simran, and like even more people, but we three were in one bench. So I still remember the fun we created and we had, especially you and Simran. It's like she teases you badly, and I'm the one laughing in between as I'm helpless. I can't tease you, neither get teased. So then, and I still remember the fun. Like, it's like I used to go sit with Lavanya people, and you people I used to ask me the reason why are you going behind, and I used to give a silly reason which you remember. And then though, like 6th, 7th though we didn't have much conversations. 8th though routine this happened. Then it started off with 9th. 9th I had to shift my house, so we get to meet every day. We used to walk and go home every day. I still miss those days. I hope they come back again, but past is past, and I still have those memories with me and love you so much. I still remember the chit chats which we had while going home, talking for like 10, 20, half an hour, like how many ever minutes we get. Continuously we keep talking, then we remember that it's already late and we get to go to home. Then and after that, it's like I learned from you that there's no end for friendship. And after, even after 10th, you, me, Simran get to meet every single time, like in a month or in a week, anytime. And it's not like you got new friends and you forget people. You were the one who remembered still. And now you text me every day. You keep stories also in Insta for my birthday. It's like it's that love towards me is so good. I hope you enjoy your day. Wishing you again a very happy birthday.
You're still watching? The video is over. Go enjoy your birthday. Once again, happy birthday, and then many more surprises. Hope you enjoy them.